Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my current favorite items. So these are going to be from categories of skincare, makeup and also body care. So if you're interested in knowing what are my current favorite products, then please keep on watching. Before which, please take a moment to hit the red color subscribe button right underneath this video and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload. So let's get started. So the first category is going to be my bath and body related products. So let's start with the shower gel. My current favorite shower gels are these Bath and Body Works shower gels. When Bath and Body Works launched on Nykaa, I picked up 2 travel sizes of these shower gels and I also picked up a body lotion. This one is in the variant 1000 Wishes and this one is in the variant In the Stars. So both of these have a very nice fruity sort of a scent. It smells so good and you require a very little amount onto your loofah to lather up and wash your body. So I've been using this for the past 1 month and I've gone through like only about this much. Like you can see, I've gone through about very little and I've been loving these shower gels, and I also went ahead and purchased the bigger bottles of these shower gels. I'm in love with this scent and I recommend that you at least buy the travel size and it would last you forever. So these shower gels are great. It smells great. It lathers up so well. It does what a shower gel it's supposed to do. It cleanses the body so well. It keeps it hydrated as well. So these get a thumbs up from my side. So the second item that I'm going to be talking about is a body lotion. This is our like every girl's favorite, I would say. Every girl's favorite brand in body related products has to be Nivea. So this is the Nivea Cocoa Nourish 48 Hour Deep Moisture Care body lotion. This is extremely nourishing to the skin. This is a little bit more thicker than the scent types one, I would say, but nonetheless this is such a great body lotion. I like to mix this in with my body oil that I will be talking about in a second. So this is something that I mix in with my body oil and I use it all over my body and it nourishes my body. It keeps it so soft and so nourished and well hydrated. If you're looking out for a body lotion, I recommend that you go out and buy this one, and this one is not that expensive as well. This retails for about 375 rupees and you get a lot of quantity. This is a 400 ml bottle. It comes with a pump. I've like almost emptied this out. I've been taking the top off and pouring it out and using it because the pump doesn't work anymore. There's very little product inside this. You'll be seeing this in my next empties video probably. I love this body lotion. It's very good for dry skin. If you have extremely dry skin on your body, which I do have, then this is going to work amazingly well for you. This is a great one. Do pick it up. So the next item is also a body nourishing item. This is what I'm talking about. This is the M Caffeine body oil. This is the body polishing oil and it smells like coffee. I've already emptied out one whole bottle of this and this is my second bottle. This retails for about 445 rupees and you get about 100 ml of this product. I am like very generous with this product. I take so many pumps of this and I use it on my body. This it describes that you need to leave this on for 15 minutes and wash it off, but I use it after I shower. I use it like mixed in with my body lotion and I apply it and I let it stay there forever until I wash my body the next day. So that's how I've been using this, and this kind of has like these coffee beans and stuff, and it smells exactly like coffee. It smells exactly like coffee. The pumping bottle is extremely nice. It works so well. This is a glass bottle, so you have to be careful. So I prefer keeping it inside this cardboard box itself. Now I started using body oil because I felt that my body needed extra nourishment, and also body oils kind of prevent stretch marks. If you already have stretch marks, that's not going to go away, but you can prevent stretch marks, further stretch marks marks from developing on your body. I've talked in detail about all my shower essentials in my one of my videos. I believe it's called What's in My Shower video. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below, or I'll link it here so that you can go ahead and watch that video for more information on my bath and body related products. So that's done. So I have finished talking about all my current favorite bath and body items. Moving on to skincare, I have like 4 products, and let's first talk about the face wash that I've been currently loving and using. I'm planning to do a separate video on all of these products. I'm talking about the Sugandha Centella green tea face wash, and this is the unscented variant. Now this face wash does not have essential oils or any sort of fragrance that can irritate your skin. This is a very nice formula. It has so many hydrating ingredients. It has humectants, it has antioxidants, and it's gonna cleanse. The surfactants in this face wash are so mild and gentle onto your skin. This is SLS free, by the way, and this is such a great face wash. It comes in a pumping bottle. It's a plastic bottle, very simple packaging, and it's quite very friendly to use as well. It's very easy to use, and I've been loving this face wash, and I'll be making a detailed video on Sugandha products that I own, and I've been trying it out for the past 15-20 days. I'll try it out for an entire month, and then I'll be making a full on review about all the Sugandha items that I own. So that's the first thing. And the second skincare product I've been loving is this BHA serum, again from Sugandha. This basically has 2% salicylic acid, Centella asiatica, and green tea. Centella asiatica green tea are known to be a great antioxidant ingredient, and 2% salicylic acid, which is a BHA, is known to work for acne prone and oily skin. It controls excess sebum production, and it kind of basically what it did to my skin was that I used to get a lot of these white milia kind of stuff on my face. I used to get that a lot. I started using this. I've been using this for the past 6 to 7 months, and I've been seeing results. It has controlled my milia to a great extent, and I've been loving this product. I would definitely recommend this if you're acne prone, oily, or if you have congested pores. So this is such a great product to go for. All the product links, by the way, will be in the description box down below. Do not forget to check that out. The next skincare item is a facial mist. I've been loving facial mist, especially when I work during the weekdays and I feel like really tired and irritated or frustrated. I like to use a face mist just to refresh my face, just to feel good. So this is a face mist that I've been loving. This is the Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Face Mist. Good Vibes is a great brand. They have some amazing toners and face mists. I also have the Vetiver face mist. Once this is done, which is like quite down there, I have very little of this left. So once I'm done with this, I'll be going to the Vetiver one, and once I'm finished with that, I'll definitely repurchase this one. They have tons of variants. They have jasmine, they have lavender and mint, and so many other variants, and I've been loving this mist. It just refreshes the face, and it feels so good and nice on the skin, and the smell is so calming and soothing. So that's something that I've been loving. And for moisturizer, I've been loving this Pond's Light Moisturizer Non-Oily Fresh Feel. So this moisturizer has vitamin E and glycerin. Vitamin E, as you all know, it hydrates the skin so well, and glycerin is a great humectant. So this is gonna be, the only problem is that it has a little bit of fragrance. That's the only issue, but the formula is quite nice. It's very hydrating on the skin. It's non-sticky, it's non-greasy. I also feature this moisturizer in my top 5 moisturizers for summer, and if you haven't watched that video yet, do check it out. I have some amazing recommendations for moisturizers in that video. And coming back to this product, this is a great product. It moisturizes my skin so well. At the same time, it does not leave that greasy, oily, sticky feeling. It just absorbs into my skin so nicely. Amazing ingredients, amazing moisturizer, great texture. Love this. This is my second tub, by the way. So for makeup, I have quite a lot of makeup products that I've been loving. So let's start with the base first. For base, I've been loving this L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. I did a full review and wear test on this foundation. I'm in the shade 260 Golden Sun and I'm an NC40 skin tone. If you haven't checked that video out yet, do check it out. You'll find more information on this foundation there. This is a super lightweight, medium coverage foundation that looks like semi matte. It's not completely matte. It kind of leaves a nice dewy finish like right on my cheeks, and I've worn this foundation today. In this particular video, I've worn this foundation and I love it. It looks so flawless. I just used one layer of this foundation, about 2 pumps of this foundation, to cover my entire face. I've also done an Instagram video on this. If you are not following me on Instagram, do follow me. I make these short videos. I post short tutorials there. You would definitely find some of my posts useful, so do follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle right here so that you can go and follow me right away. So this is the first product in makeup that I've been currently loving. So the second complexion or base product that I've been currently loving is this one. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm in the shade Caramel. I've used this in multiple videos of mine. I've been, loving this for quite some time now. This is actually empty. This is an empty tube. I used it today underneath my eyes to cover my dark circles, and I used the shade Sand to highlight underneath my eyes. And this is such a great product because it's so lightweight, it blends so easily, at the same time offers good amount of coverage. I don't know how they came up with such a good formula, but it's so great. I love this concealer. I already have a backup. I'll keep repurchasing this concealer until I find something that's equivalent to this, that is both lightweight, offers good coverage, and it's easy to blend. So that's something that I've been loving. So the next complexion product is gonna be this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is in the shade 25. You must have seen so many YouTubers rave about this product, and it's all for good reason, you guys. This is such a great product. It blurs my skin. I'm currently wearing it underneath my eyes today to set my concealer. The trick is to use just enough powder to set underneath the eyes, because this can turn cakey really quick if you go overboard with it, because this has some pigment to it and it blurs my skin. It's so smooth, it blurs my skin. It looks fantastic underneath the eyes. I also have the shade 15 light and 30 deep dark or medium dark, I'm not too sure. So this is a great powder. I've used this again in multiple of my Instagram tutorials, on my YouTube videos as well. This is the best powder ever. So staying on the complexion part itself, I've been loving this palette from Sugar. This is the Sugar Contour de Force palette, and this is in the shade Vivid Victory. Oh my god, the colors. The colors are so suitable for medium to deep skin tone. This is a nice contour shade. This is a nice plummy blush shade, and this is a very nice highlighter shade. I've swatched and I've done a mini review on this on my Instagram page. If you're interested, do check it out. So this is a great palette. If you are looking out for a blush, bronzer, highlighter sort of thing in one palette, this is a great option to go for. The pigmentation is just right, and the blendability is so good. It shows up on our dusky skin tone, the contour shade especially. That's what I'm wearing on my skin right now. This is the highlighter, the blush, and the contour. I've been loving this palette, and I've been again using it in multiple videos of mine, both Instagram and YouTube, and this is such a great palette to go for. Next, for eyeshadow palette, I have actually been loving the Wet n Wild palette as well. Wet n Wild palette, I've been talking about the Rosy in the Air palette, the 10 pan palette. I've been talking about it non-stop in all of my videos, so you might be bored of it. So this time I've included a different sort of a different palette other than the Wet n Wild palette that I've been loving and using a lot. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the collaboration that she did with Morphe. This is the volume 1 palette. They have also released a volume 2 palette, but this is just the volume 1 palette. This is how the packaging looks like. You have the shade names behind, and the colors, oh my god, you can do multiple looks with this. This is all you need If you're looking out for an eyeshadow palette, do give this one a shot because you will not be disappointed. The pigmentation is great, the blendability is great, they have tons of neutral shades, also some pops of colors right here. I did a look using these two colors, the green and the turquoise blue kind of color right here on my Instagram account again. And this eye look that I've created today is using this palette, and for the shimmer I have used this shade. I think this is the shade called Obsessed, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is the shade called Obsessed, and I've used this on the center of my eyelid. I've done a kind of like a halo eye today. It's a very subtle halo eye. I tried to cut my crease and I failed miserably. So this is the eye look that I've come up with this palette. One of the eye looks that you can create, and you can create multiple looks, and it shows up on deep dark skin tone. So kudos to Jacqueline for making this palette and putting great pigmentation and blendability into this each of these eyeshadows. Every single eyeshadow is a hit. There's no dud in this palette at all. Every single eyeshadow performs so well, and it's like extremely pigmented. So if you want to buy this palette, it's actually not available in India, but you can try one of the Instagram stores. I purchased this from Beauty Tales. I'll leave a link to their Instagram account down in the description box below. You can go and check them out. So that's something that I've been loving. This is quite expensive, that's the only issue. This is about 3,800 or something, but it's totally worth it, you guys. I just love it. So moving on to everybody's favorite part, which is the lipsticks. The only lipsticks that has been my current favorite and I've been using for such a long time are these Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. These are extremely affordable. I have all nude shades. I want to pick up the red shades as well, and I want to do a swatch video. For now I have picked up the nude shades, and I have swatched them for you in my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched that video yet, do check it out. You'll find the swatches of all these nude shades that are going to look absolutely gorgeous on NC40, NC42 skin tone, or even deeper. These are going to look gorgeous on you girls. And yeah, these are such an amazing formula, you guys. This formula is like liquidy. It's very lightweight. You have to layer it twice, once or twice you have to layer it, but it's okay. The pigmentation is quite nice, and the texture is so good. It does not feel like drying or powdery matte on the lips. The formulation is so great. The colors are to die for. They have over 25 shades, I guess 25 to 30 shades. They even launched newer shades, and I'm like badly wanting to buy those shades and swatch it and review it for you guys. And these are the lipsticks that I've been currently loving and using a lot. I have a mixture of two shades on my lips today, Nude Dream and Nude Twist. So these two shades I have on my lips today, and I love it. So with that, we come to the end of this favorites video. If you want me to make more of these favorites video like a monthly or a quarterly basis, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to make that for you guys, so that you guys get to know about some of my favorite and also good quality products in makeup, skincare, and bath and body care essentials. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this useful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata. Bye bye.